First, scroll down to the description of the video and hit the link to open this text document. Just highlight all text or use Control with A and then copy it. After that, open the Start menu, type Notepad, and open it. In the blank Notepad window, paste the code you just copied. Next, you need to save this as a batch file. Go to File and then Save As. In the file name field, type something like autoscreenshot.bat. Make sure to change the Save As Type option to all files so Windows treats it as a batch script instead of a text file. Choose a location where you want to save the file and click Save. Once the file is saved, go to the location where you saved it. Right-click the batch file and select Run as Administrator. This is important because scheduling tasks requires admin permission. When the script opens, it will ask for the time you want the screenshot to be taken. Enter the time in 24-hour format. Then choose how often you want it to repeat, whether once, daily, or at one of the minute intervals. After you confirm your selections, the script creates a scheduled task in Windows that captures your screen automatically at the time you selected. The screenshots will be saved inside a folder named Screenshots in your user profile. Now, if you ever want to remove the task you created, open the Start menu and type Task Scheduler. In the center panel, you'll see the list of tasks your system currently has. Look for the one named Auto Screenshot. Right-click it and select Delete. After I finished recording this video, I discovered a free Windows application that already includes this feature, along with many additional options. It's called Auto Screen Capture. You can check it out. I'll leave the download link in the video description. That's all you need to set up automatic scheduled screenshots on your PC. I hope it was a helpful video. Feel free to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment as always. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.